I'm Kevin Cole. I'm a professor of law at the University of San Diego, and I teach criminal law and criminal procedure and evidence. I came to the University of San Diego in 1987. I've been on the faculty teaching criminal law, criminal procedure, and evidence since then. Took a little bit of a break to be dean of the law school from 2005 through 2011, but now I'm back in the classroom, which I enjoy very much. I think the great thing about studying criminal law at USD is that students get a nice mix of the theoretical and the practical. On our faculty, we have some of the most well-known and talented scholars in the nation in these areas of criminal law and criminal procedure. We also have a program, a criminal clinic program, other opportunities where students can really learn how to do the nuts and bolts of day-to-day criminal law practice, which is in itself a very intellectually challenging undertaking. I think that criminal law is the area where the question about the use of force against members of society by that society is most sharply brought into focus. And I think that a lot of students have a sense for that and come to the classroom with pre-existing views about the proper role of the state and the individual. So they get a chance to explore those views and see how their views are different from the views of other people in the classroom who maybe have different experiences in dealing with the state. So it's a very lively kind of class, I think, and a class where students have a set of values that they bring with them to the classroom that they get a chance to explore very thoroughly. So I've got a couple of projects that I'm working on related to criminal law. One is my CrimProf blog, which I really enjoy doing, and I get a chance to involve students who are interested in criminal law and helping me do the blog. My other general area of interest right now has to do with making the criminal justice system more accurate. The proliferation of DNA evidence has allowed us to determine that there are a fair number of convicted criminals who actually were not guilty of the crime they committed. And those are the kinds of cases that are susceptible to proof by DNA. There's lots of other cases that aren't susceptible to proof by DNA. So if we mine those DNA cases to figure out what went wrong there, maybe we can make the system more accurate for everybody. I think generally the University of San Diego is a very welcoming place for students and for faculty too. There's a strong sense of community at the University of San Diego. Students don't really know for sure a lot of times when they go to law school what they want to study. Being in that kind of an environment gives you more flexibility, you learn more, and you make better decisions.